Would you like to look your customer in the eye during a web conference? Today I'm going to show you how to do it. I'm scheduled to have a web conference with a patient and this is my setup. You're seeing this in the split view and here is my desktop computer. I've got a webcam here. This is my computer and this is the Logitech Brio webcam placed over the computer, and over this webcam I have placed my glide gear teleprompter. This is a specific type of teleprompter which goes over a laptop or a desktop. So this is the glide gear teleprompter. So this is my setup. I have a Logitech Brio webcam over here situated above my desktop, and over the Logitech Brio webcam I have placed this glide gear teleprompter. I have got sufficient lights to illuminate me. Now I am in the Google Meet and you can see my figure over here. When the person comes on in the conference, the person's face will be visible here and that will be reflected by the mirror of the teleprompter here onto the teleprompter over here. You can see that the reflection over there, and I will be looking at the, since the patient's face is there, I will be looking straight into the patient's face. I will be looking directly into the webcam, so the patient will get an impression that I am looking the patient in the eye.